Hello everyone, the project which we are going to make today is touch sensor using 555 IC. This is the circuit diagram of touch sensor using 555 IC. The components required for this project are jumper wires, 555 IC, 330 ohm resistor, battery snapper and a 9V battery, LED, breadboard. First of all, we'll place IC 555 on the breadboard. Connect pin number 4 and 8 of the IC together with the help of jumper wire. Connect one end of 330 ohm resistor to pin number 3 of the IC. Connect the cathode terminal of LED to pin number 1 of IC and anode terminal to the another end of the resistor. Connect one jumper wire to pin number 2 of the IC. Connect another jumper wire to pin number 1 of the IC. Keep the another ends of both the wires free. Connect one more jumper wire to pin number 6 and keep its another end free. Connect one jumper wire to pin number 4 of the IC and keep its another end free. Connect positive terminal of battery snapper to the pin number 8 and negative terminal to pin number 1 of the IC. As soon as the battery is connected, the LED turns on. As you can see, when you touch the wires connected to pin number 1 and pin number 2, then the LED turns on, and when you connect the wires to pin number 6 and pin number 4, then the LED turns off. So this is how a touch sensor using 555 is going to be worked. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.